The reasons why you should be investing in multifamily real estate. How apartment buildings are valued is they're valued based on the net operating income, which consists of gross income rental, which is your rental income, and your other income, and then you're going to subtract your operating expenses. Now, there's two ways in which you can do this. You can either increase the income or you can lower the expenses. Now, our job as general partners is to look for those properties that are mismanaged and see if there's an opportunity to increase the net operating income, therefore increasing the value of the asset. So let's put it all into perspective. So let's just say we found a building and where we can push the income by $300 a month across 180 units. That is an additional $54,000. And then we're going to take that and then we're going to times it by 12, which is 12 months, $648,000. Now we're going to take the $648,000 and then we're going to divide it by what the market cap rate is. Let's just use it as an example, 5%. That is an additional $12.960 million of additional value to the building. If you like and enjoy that type of content, don't forget to send us a DM to learn more.